सब जुदा होते हैं लेकिन कॉफ जुदा होता नहीं. It's actually become my loyal companion, not going. If you are suffering like I am, go to the doctor, make sure that it's nothing serious, and try this home remedy. Take about 2 tablespoons of salt, which is dry ginger powder, and about 4 to 5 tablespoons of organic good jaggery, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Heat it all in one pan, like it'll become slimy, and make like these really tiny chota chota lozenges at home. And not only will this help for your cough, it will also help improve your digestive enzymes. So try it and let me know if it helps. Bye.